Welcome back. Happy Sunday. I hope you are all doing great. So guys, I am not doing much today, just cooking some stew peas. I don't really have anything to vlog. So being that YouTube is putting the watch hours to 8,000 next year, even when I don't really have much to vlog, I'm gonna try to find something. I'm trying not to let that 8,000 watch hours catch up with me. So guys, remember to watch a good amount of the video, guys. Please, I am begging you, like, share, subscribe, and I really appreciate the support thus far. So guys, stay tuned and let's cook some stew peas.
Why you always lying? You're not ashamed. I know why you're hiding. You always win. You know how you say, baby. Now you're very close. I can say. You know how you say, baby. Now you're very close. Every day. Better know. You're so kind to everywhere. But I know you. Now you wanna hide it, but I know. And I'll say the truth. Now you wanna drown me, but no.
Some of you might know I had about 2 or 3 channels before this family channel. One of them I got over 1,000 subscribers on it, but the views, they weren't coming in. I think for this family channel I might have a little bit more patience with it. So the views, they're not much now, but I think if I keep like doing daily vlogs and so, I will get there. I think I will get there. So guys, here we have our pig's tail, and look at this. The pig's tail just looks so bony, like, you know when you fillet fish, it look like a fillet the pig's tail and give me. I don't know what is this. Huh? Beer bone. I put it to boil to get out the salt, and after that I will cut it up. So Chanel, if you are watching this video, remember I was saying under your comment section that I normally boil my pig's tail before I chop it. I find it way easier to do so. Can you believe this, guys? It's about 9 a.m. and I just realized I don't eat anything as yet. Peas are boiled up. I'm gonna turn off the stove and pour some water on it to sink the peas.
And
normally most of the time I don't really go straight at it to pressure it. I just let it soak a little bit and then I pressure. It will pressure way faster that way. So yeah, I got myself something to eat. Pig's tail is almost finished boiling, so I'm gonna get back to that. Don't come at me. The other day, I purposely leave these 3 chicken foot in the fridge because me say, oh my god, the pig's tail is like a fillet the pig's tail. So we just leave these and say I'm gonna put them with the pig's tail. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is everybody. I am now going to put it with the peas and pressure.
anywhere, anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get...
So this actually finished pressure. I am gonna make some spinach to put in it and add some seasonings.
You know how you say, baby, now you're very close. I can say, I can say. You know how you say, baby, now you're very close. Every day, better know. You're so kind to everywhere, but I know you. You wanna hide it, but I know, and I'll say the truth. And you wanna drown me, but I know, I really know you. And you wanna hide it, but I know, and I'll say the truth. And you wanna drown me, but I know, I really know you.
So guys, these are the little tubes of seasonings me have left in the house. Good thing me not put on no more pot until I go up on the road. So yes, this have to go do. Denny, you're eating or not? Denny, what are you doing?
Sorry, but I forgot it. The cookie, you keep forgetting it again and again.
This is my dinner, guys. I don't have any vegetables today. So guys, please remember before you leave, always remember to give the video a like, remember to share, comment, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. I think I will be doing grocery shopping and back to school shopping vlog. So see you guys later.